Hey guys, so I'm out here and I just set up my pole here. And so how this works is when it's really windy, you'll be able to see which direction it's going in, and it'll show you kind of what direction that the wind is going. And so what came with this is this top piece of the pole, and then I'm just putting it in here for the time being before I mount my pole, but this is, and then it came with all of this. So it came with this all together, and then the red flag here it came with, and then with 5 of these zip ties. And so what you do is you zip tie it on each of these sides here, and then it works. So there, it'll move toward whichever way the wind is kind of going. And then you'll see it, if it's really windy, there we go. So then it picks up itself. And so that's really cool. I mean, this is perfect for airplanes or airports or anywhere where you want to be able to see where the wind is going and how powerful it is, because this will tell you if it's powerful or not based on kind of how much it moves up and down. But this is sweet, and I really like this, and I think this is perfect, and I'm going to leave this back here in my yard to be able to tell where the wind's going. But I like it, and I give it a thumbs up.